Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can draw on your Veed.io videos. So go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, open Veed.io and log into your account. Now click on any of the edited videos and then what you need to do is wait for a while and Veed.io will load your previously edited videos. Now what you need to do is take this cursor where you want to add your note or where you want to draw your note. So take it there and go to the element section on your left hand side. Click on it, scroll down until you see draw. Now there are two colors you can choose from, blue or greenish or orange type. So click on the option and you can go ahead and draw whatever you want and then it will appear on the screen on this time. You can even drag this and adjust the time and it will appear on the exact time which you want this drawing to appear. I hope this video about how you can draw on Veed was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.